Imagine you own a tire landfill, a treasure trove with decades of potential. You envision a factory, turning these tires into diesel, rubber, and carbon black products. However, future price fluctuations of these commodities, possible factory productivity issues, competition, and other potential hurdles make this a complex puzzle. How do you navigate the financial intricacies of such a deal and finance it? How can you be sure of the financial implications? Enter GiveFlag. Upload your financial models securely. Your data is anonymized and encrypted on your device, keeping your sensitive information provably safe. Next, our GPT and machine learning models, trained in advanced financial concepts and accounting standards, analyze your data. Your company receives an interactive report highlighting the red and yellow flag issues and green flag opportunities. Need these simplified? Use our Explain Like I'm 5 feature for understandable insights, and better yet, get actionable steps to fix issues. GiveFlag, the first enterprise-grade, secure, GPT-based financial modeling tool, transforming the way businesses and consultants understand, improve, and leverage deals.